Hello everyone, welcome back to Medical Coding Club. This is Chandrika. So today I'm not going to discuss any CPC oriented concept. Instead, I'm going to give you a few corporate insights for your better career growth. So as you all know, getting certified is not an ultimate success. Okay, how you will sustain in your job, or how you will be stay certified forever, or how you will upskill. Okay, so all other key factors will contribute towards your bright future. Okay, that is why I am going to discuss a few stories where you should not make such mistakes as you join a corporate life. Okay, and this video will definitely help experienced medical coder, and also this will give you detailed insights for the beginner. If you are just starting out, please watch video till the end. And there is a saying, right? It is good to learn from your mistake, and it's better to learn from others' mistake. So the mistakes I have added with the stories in this video, and I'm trying to explain. So if you understand and if you find it useful, please do subscribe my channel, and also please support. Okay, share with your medical coding friends as well. So let's begin with the stories. And in the end of the video, you will definitely have a clarity which story you should pick. So as I said, I have added a few stories based on the experiences and based on what I have seen. Okay, and here my motto is to give you a clarity on what you should do when you are ready to switch your job. Okay, or when you are ready to upskill or ready to invest in yourself, what are the steps that you should follow? So let's see our first story. Here, Maria, a certified medical coder, has been feeling undervalued at work. Her pay hasn't increased despite years of experience, and her workload keeps growing. Frustrated, she decides to engage in quiet quitting. Okay, quiet quitting means, you can see here, doing the bare minimum and disengaging mentally. So quiet quitting is nothing but, so you will come to a phase where you will not have any energy to deal with your project, or you are not ready to take anything new, or you will not be involved in any kind of new initiatives. And if the company is paying you for 8 hours, you are ready to work only for 8 hours. Okay, you have the burnout feeling. You will not be ready to take up an extra hours, and you will not be ready to work towards team or work towards the client requirement, because you are already feeling undervalued. Okay, so that is where the quiet quitting will come. So you will, in your head, you will start thinking that yes, I need to change my job. Okay, so with the quiet quitting, what are the other things you should do? So you can see here, doing the bare minimum and disengaging mentally. However, she soon realizes that the job market is evolving, and coders with advanced skills. So here examples I have just added randomly. So with risk adjustment, AI assisted, IP, DRG coding, and compliance knowledge, okay, are in high demand. Instead of quitting silently, she upskilled, network, and secured a better paying, fulfilling role. Okay, so she decided that she got to know that I need to change my job. She did not discuss this with anyone. Instead, she started focusing on upskilling, and she got to know the that few specialities are really giving high pay, and she had that confidence that she will learn something new. Okay, so when she was in the quiet working or quit, one more word we have, that is quit working. Quit working, like you are just pretending to work and you are not actually working. Okay, so you are in that phase, and instead of working more in the organization, the same time you are utilizing to upskill for yourself, or upskill in the specialty that you should switch into. Okay, so the message here is, instead of quite quitting, leverage your skill for a better opportunities. Okay, so this is important. It's like, even if you have burnout situation, you should focus on your growth. Okay, you should not take any indecisive decisions or any kind of quick decisions. So we'll see the next scenario. So Harry, a skilled non-certified inpatient coder, feels unappreciated at his current job. When denied a rise, he rages and quits without securing another job. Confident that he will find a new position quickly, he jumps into the job market only to realize that the competition is tough and many companies are now preferring coders with HR automation knowledge, risk adjustment experiences, or multi specialty exposure. It's not only these three domains. Like usually, if you have an experience, definitely there should be having a multi specialty exposure. Okay, and also after months of struggling, he regret not planning his exit better. Okay, so this is called revenge quit. So you might have got an escalation. So your manager might have told you something that you're not doing this work, or you're not, some kind of words where your ego really got triggered. Okay, so in these instances, what you will do, you will take an immediate decision. Okay, I will quit today, I will resign today itself. Let me see, let me teach them some kind of thing. Say many things will come to your head. Okay, but at the same time, rather than getting emotionally triggered, you should calm yourself and think about it. Okay, so as you got to know that you are undervalued, you should start focusing on upskilling. Okay, so here what he did a revenge quit. Okay, later what happened? It got backfired. Got it? So here the message is, don't quit out of frustration. Don't leave your job without securing another job. Okay, so you have to strategize, upskill, and you have to transition wisely. Okay, and also if you have observed here, he has a non-certified inpatient coder. Though inpatient coder might get high pay, but he is still not certified. Okay, so he might have planned that he should change a job, and in the process he should have got certified and then he should have left the job. Okay, and you may ask that anyway we will have the notice period to serve. Okay, so notice period you will be having. Few companies will have 2 months notice period, and few will have 3 months, and few will have only 1 month notice period. So if you have 3 months notice period, somehow you will have the time to search for one more opportunity. But it's not like only searching the opportunity. Okay, so whenever you resign the job, in your head you should mark that you should go for a better thing. Okay, again you cannot come to the same phase, or you cannot only expect some 10%, 15% hike in your package. Okay, that is not a worth. If you are changing, you should change it very wisely. Okay, and you have to plan it wisely. So let's see the next story. So next story is about smart exit. It's a strategic move. So Amy, a certified medical coder with 5 years of experience, notices that her company isn't offering career growth. Instead of quitting suddenly, she studies the job trends, notices that outpatient surgical coding and auditing skills, training skills are in high demand, and enroll in a short certification program. Within a month, she lands a remote role with a better pay and work life balance. Okay, so this is called smart move. So if you have certain experience, and you should not take any impulsive decision. Okay, if you have 1 year or 2 year experience, you are ready to take risk. But when you have more than 5 years of experience, definitely every employer, the new employer, will have the more expectations from you. Okay, so you are just doing one job for so many years and you did not learn anything other than the project. Okay, so that kind of experiences really, we cannot say that we have 5 year of experience, because you have learned the same thing for last 5 years. You have learned the same thing. Okay, so when you have some 5 plus years of experience, you should not take any sudden decision or a leaving job, without proper preparation or without proper certifications. It's not going to pay you well. Okay, you will end up struggling to get a job. Okay, you will be in a leadership role or you will be in auditing role. Again, you cannot you cannot switch back to coder role. Okay, so there are many aspects to it. So whenever you are having more than 4 or 5 years of experience, you should really prepare well for your next upcoming job or upcoming employer. Okay, you should have a multi-speciality exposure, and the employer should feel like, okay, if I hire this person, we will, he will definitely or she will definitely add value to the project or add value to the team. Okay, that kind of standard that you should set when you have more experience. That is what I am trying to say here. So she got a remote role. So getting remote role is not so easy. Only when employer have enough trust, and only when employer sees that, okay, this person, we need this person, then that person will get the remote role. Okay, and also work life balance will be there when you are in the auditing or a leadership role. Okay, so the message here is plan your career moves instead of reacting emotionally. So whatever the things that can trigger you emotionally, for the some instance or for certain time, you need to calm down. Okay, and then you should reset your mind, and then start thinking about how to change the job, or what are the necessary skill that I should focus on. Okay, everything you need to learn. And also, if you are financially independent enough, you can take this impulsive decision. Okay, whenever your ego got hurt, okay, I don't want this job, and absconding, whenever your ego got hurt, more people like, uh, even with the experience, they don't think about losing experience, they'll just disappear, they'll get abscond. Okay, do not make such mistakes. So in further video, I'll definitely explain what are the impact that if you do such things. Okay, so far these are the few tips that whenever you decide to leave your current role or current job, make sure that you are preparing well for your a new project or a new job. Okay, then only you have to take a chance, or you have to, first thing, you have to secure one more job. Okay, so overall, the conclusion here is never leave a job out of frustration or burnout without securing another opportunity first. The medical coding job market is evolving, and companies are looking for skilled professionals. Instead of revenge quitting or quiet quitting, invest in upskilling, networking, and finding a job that values you. A strategic move is always better than an impulsive decision. Okay, so this is my suggestion. Yeah, like if you are experienced coder, again it will be definitely help you. And if you are a beginner, okay, so I hope you got some insights on how to deal when you start working. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. And if you really need such or this kind of insights regularly, please comment and let me know. Okay, so with the concept oriented uh, you know videos, I can also post some of the corporate truths. Okay, it may be about learning and development, or it's about the PF policies. So everything, I whatever I know, I will also try to help you for your better career. Okay, thank you all.